Hi, Grace. I was just looking over some of the work on Schoology and had an idea for you and Mommy and Daddy to work on getting your handwriting a little bit bigger. I'm going to try to point my screen down. I'll hold the paper up at the end. So Mom and Dad, if you want to kind of make boxes that are different sizes, and then Grace would have to write the letter in the box, but we want the letter to touch the top line and the bottom line, no matter if it's a small box or a big box. So if we were doing, since we did the letter F last week, let's say that lowercase f, I'm going to want it to touch the top line and the bottom line, no matter if it's a small box or a very tall box. I think, Grace, we've done an activity like this in the classroom. I'm sorry if it's backwards to you guys. And to make it a little bit more fun for Grace, so that it doesn't always have to be letters. I mean, you could do it with numbers too, or if she likes to draw something specific. I'm not a very good artist, but maybe I want to try a smiley face. Again, the whole idea is to get to the top and the bottom. So our hand can practice making things bigger and smaller. And no matter the size, I have to try to touch the top and the bottom. If you like drawing butterflies, you could draw the butterfly. It just has to touch the top and the bottom. Oops, that one doesn't touch the top, so I would maybe erase it again. They look silly, but that's okay. It gets our motor skills in our hand going, that formation of bigger and smaller. So just an idea I wanted to share with you guys. She doesn't have to use a pencil if you want to make it a little bit more fun, and she uses crayon. It's all developing in her hand, the fine motor of making letters big that should be bigger and smaller. I hope this helps.